Okay, we're back. So here's what we have. We have our three numbers here, 0, 1, and -3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my x-axis and I'm going to mark all of these right here. So we have one at 0, put a big circle right there. We have one at 1, so I'll go over to 1. I'm going to put a big circle right there. And then we have one at -3. So I'm going to go over to -3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put a big circle right there. Now, remember, I said that this one is special. This one is a double, okay? A quick thing I'm going to show you. Whenever you have a graph, here, this is just a different graph. If it passes through it once, it's a single, okay? If it goes over and touches it and goes back up, where it touches, that's a double, okay? And then I'll show you what a triple is. If it goes like this, okay? I'm going to draw the triple with white. If it goes up and starts to bend, like maybe you think it's going to go down and turn into a double, and then it just curves back up, that's a triple, okay? So that's a single, that's a double, that's a triple, all right? And this is what they all need to look like. If it's a single, it's going to go through it once. If it's a double, it just touches it and goes back the same way. If it's a triple, it goes up, touches it, fakes you out a bit, but then keeps going the same direction, okay? Now, here's how we're going to graph it. If you remember, the equation was positive. You look at the very, very first number. I think it was y equals x to the 5th, and it was a positive. So what that means is our last line has to go up. And this one right here, where it's a 1, that was our double. So that means that it's going to, we know it needs to go up this way. It's going to come down, and it's going to touch it and come back up like that, okay? But let's not freak out yet, because we still have to remember we have to come back and touch this one. This one was a single, the rest were single. So then I'm just going to kind of go down right here, and then that one was a single, so we're going to go through there. You have to make it kind of curved to hit them all, but just remember that over here at -3, it was a single, so it goes through it once. Here at 0, it was a single, so it goes through it once. Over here at 1, it was a double, so it comes down, touches it, doesn't really go through it, but keeps going the same way, okay? And the reason why this is pointing up right here is because our first number in the equation, the first original equation, it was a positive number, and that's how we do that. That's the first question. That's going to be the most difficult. The rest of them, I promise you, are going to be a lot easier, so stay with me.